Hello, this is a question related to Laplace transform. We have to find out the inverse Laplace transform of given function. The given function is function s is equal to 5s plus 3 divided by s minus 1 multiplied by s square plus 2s plus 5. To first we have to decompose the given function using partial fraction method, so that we can found it inverse Laplace transform. So we can decompose it to as in the denominator it is s minus 1, to its corresponding partial fraction let it be a divided by s minus 1, and the partial fraction corresponding to quadratic equation s square plus 2s plus 5 will be of the form bs plus c divided by s square plus 2s plus 5. So we can write it as a multiplied by s square plus 2s plus 5 plus s minus 1 multiplied by bs plus c. So divided by s minus 1 multiplied by s square plus 2s plus 5. So we can write it as in denominator s minus 1 multiplied by s square plus 2s plus 5 will cancel. So we can write it as 5s plus k3 is equal to a multiplied by s square plus 2s plus 5 plus bs square minus bs plus cs minus c. Let it again check it. bs square minus bs plus cs minus c. In denominator term will cancel s minus 1 multiplied by s square plus 2s plus 5. On rearranging we get 5s plus 3 is equal to a multiplied by s square plus 2s plus 5 plus bs square plus s c minus b minus c. We can write it as 0 multiplied by s square plus 5s plus c is equal to a plus b multiplied by s square plus 2a plus c plus 2a plus 2a plus c minus b plus c minus b multiplied by s plus 5a minus c. So on comparing coefficient of s we get a plus b is equal to 0. Let it be equation 4, and 2a plus c minus b is equal to 5. Let it be equation 5, and 5a minus c is equal to 5a minus c. So it is 2s square plus 5s plus, and this is 3. This is equation 6. So from this we can, for equation 4 we can write it as a is equal to minus b, equation 7, and c is equal to 5a minus 3, equation 8. On writing these values in equation 5 we get 2a minus b is equal to minus a, 2a plus a plus 2a. In place of minus b we can write it as a, and c is equal to 5a minus 3 is equal to 5. So 8a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 1. Let it be equation 9. So a is equal to 1 means b is equal to minus a minus 1. This is equation 10, and putting it in equation 8 we get c is equal to 5a minus 3, 5a minus 3. So it will be 5 into 1 minus 3, it will be 2. Equation 11. So given equation can be written as function s is equal to a is 1, a is 1 to 1 divided by s minus 1 plus bs plus c, minus 1 multiplied by s plus c is 2 divided by s square plus 2s plus 5, s square plus 2s plus 5. So we can write it as 1 upon s minus 1, 1 upon s minus 1 minus s minus 2 divided by s plus 1 का square plus 2 square. So we can write it as, again, function s is equal to 1 upon s minus 1 minus s plus s minus 2. So s minus 2 we can write it as s minus 2, we can write it as s plus 1 minus 3, s plus 1 minus 3 divided by s plus 1 का square plus 2 square. So we can write it as 1 upon s minus 1 minus s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 का square plus 2 square plus 3 divided by s plus 1 का square plus 2 square. Now we will apply this formula. So function t will be L inverse function s. So it will be inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s minus 1 plus, it is minus inverse Laplace transform of s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 का square plus 2 square plus 3 inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s plus 1 का whole square plus 2 का square. So by applying formula 1, it will be e की power t as inverse Laplace transform of s minus a is equal to e की power at. So inverse Laplace transform of s minus 1 will be e की power t. We have used it in formula 1, and from formula 2 it will be, from formula 3 it will be, we will compare it from equation 3 to, in place of a it is 1 and in place of b it is 2. So it will be a is equal to minus 1. So it will be a e की power minus t cos bt cos 2t plus 3 it will be 1 upon b s minus a का square inverse Laplace transform of s minus a का square plus b square is equal to 1 upon b e की power at sin bt. So on comparing it with equation 2, clearly a is equal to minus 1. So it will, and b is equal to 2. So it will be 3 upon 2 e की power minus t sin 2t. So answer is inverse Laplace transform of given function is e की power t minus e की power minus t cos 2t plus 3 upon 2 e की power minus t sin 2t. This is the answer. Thank you. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, share it, and press bell icon so that you may get recent update. Thank you.